welcome back to the vlog. My name is Catherine, and on this week's episode, Parker and I hosted our friends Morgan and Wes. We went to Texas Hill Country, tried a few different breweries, and of course showed them the classic Austin spots. We also captured great drone footage, so keep watching for some of that, plus great ideas if you ever are in Austin for 72 hours or if you're hosting friends for the weekend. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Jester King Brewing right now with Morgan and Wes. They have some live music, we got pizza and some beer.
Pizza's gone, all the beer's gone. Met a cat.
We met a cat. Wes, would you like to?
Saw a cat, we saw it eat dinner, had a bird, but just feathers and bones after 2 minutes.
Is
he back?
We're at Easy Tiger. We're having a really fun day. We ran back home for a quick outfit change because it's freezing in Austin. It's like lower than 60 degrees, so you need a jacket.
Cold weather in Texas.
I got a Hefeweizen in the spirit of Oktoberfest in Germany.
I have a Smoketoberfest in the same spirit.
Where'd you run?
Around Lady Bird Lake, about a 750 pace, I think.
We did 750, 5 miles. Yeah, did you?
Yeah, now we're gonna go
Looks
to
like
Vera
my
Cruz,
company
get
logo.
some tacos,
It's like a ship sail
and then coffee
logo.
from maybe Flat Track.
We're having fun. I'm sweaty though. Dirty chai with oat milk. Very high maintenance, white woman kind of an order. Sorry. We've had a really nice day today. We just came up to Mount Bonnell for the sunset today, or this evening. We went to Counterculture. Yeah, it's just been really nice. Really hot today, but still great time in Austin.
Have you ever had cotton candy that was like multicolored? Like that was literally the sky tonight at the sunset.
We kind of missed the sunset, but we still got some really good views.
Oh, I'm Elise. I graduated from the University of South Carolina in December of 2018 with majors in marketing, real estate, and a minor in finance. And a fun fact about me, this is tough. I'm viscerally opposed to cilantro and my front four teeth are fake.